How's it good, people? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change from the old or pre-facelift light switch to a more modern one from the Polo 6 or the Polo Vivo with a facelift. So in order to take out this little light switch, you would turn it to that the park light position. However, before you do that, you'll be pushing the actual lever in, so it's inward, and then I'm just assisting pushing it out from the rear, and then you'll be able to pull it out. You will notice that on the actual light switch itself there are little hooking points. I'm going to display it in an image now. If you didn't see it, if you would have seen it in the image that I just showed you. So then these are the little locking points that I'm referring to. In order to remove this little plug, you'll be pushing in the side tabs and removing the old switch. Okay, once the old switch has been removed, you'll see that you have got a little power block, and what I have got here is the facelift light switch. So it's got the same amount of pin connectors. Make sure that you get the correct one for your vehicle. You do get this long plug, I think it's a 16 pin, and then you get the small one, which is the same as the newer Polo, or some of the 6Cs actually come out with them, as well as the Mark 6 and Mark 5 GTIs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be plugging in the new switch, and I'll push it all back in and I'll demonstrate for you. Cool. Now you can see that I am busy pushing in the new switch. It will clip into place. There we go, it locked into place now. So now you'll notice that if you do switch on the lights, everything works as per usual. However, it is a facelift switch. Another nifty little feature is that I've featured in another video is the facelift AC dials as well. So it will match the interior of your Polo. Thank you very much for watching.